Hey, what's up everybody? So today we're going to be installing UPR's catch can, specifically for the 25 Ford Maverick. For the 22 through 2024s, there's a separate catch can. I think everybody's more familiar with that. Specifically this year for the 2025, they have a new catch can. And today we're going to be installing that. So let's first go over what all you get in the order. So you get the hoses. I believe this is, we'll get it oriented and we'll figure out which goes where. So here are the two hoses it comes with. I ordered some extra O-rings for the catch can, and this is a mounting stud. It'll go, I think, this hook over here. And then, let's see, here's the catch can itself. All right, let's see. And it also came with a couple of stickers. So I think first I'm going to tackle mounting it. And I think it'll look something like that. Let's see, I think this Allen key goes, yeah, okay. So it comes with an Allen key. It'll fit in there for you to tighten it on this front stud nearest to the headlight. All right, that's not going anywhere. All right, let me grab a 10mm, tighten that up. All right. Okay, I think it'll sit something like that. Okay, let me just check the status of the O-ring. So I already have one installed. Do I need to add one of these? No, O-ring on it's good. Okay, stash those there. All right, picks. So I think this one goes like, no, so this one goes here, goes that way. All right, yep, here, here. This one goes this way here. Now, let's go look at the pictures so we know for sure. It didn't come with instructions, but if you go online to their website, they have a detailed PDF that you can download with pictures. Yeah, so the front of the head goes here, dirty side. Top of the valve cover goes here, clean side. Or maybe that's backwards. So first, let's go ahead and work on removing the hose that's currently here. So this one, you just gotta, there's a little tab. Let's see if I can show you. All right, so this little tab right here and you push it down and rotate out of the way, you'll be able to just pull the hose off. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Same thing with this one down here. You can see on the other view, but it's similar. Just lift it out the way, pull it off, and there you go. So this one goes here like so. Let me route it through under some stuff, or should I go on top? I'll go on top. Here, that. This one. Okay. Like that. And like that. And that is pretty much all there is to it. So let's route it, let's clean the install up a little bit. Route it underneath these guys. Let's see. And to do that, all you got to do is push here. It comes right off. So something like that. Okay. They come with zip ties. It did not come with zip ties, but that's okay. So what we'll do now is we'll store this OEM hose somewhere in the garage just in case we ever need to go back to stock, which I don't foresee happening. Didn't even really require picks. So that's it. That's the install, guys. So what we'll do is we'll drive for 500 miles and we'll keep checking the catch can just to see what kind of levels we get, just so we can get a baseline of how often we need to empty it. But for now, that's it.